In this video we will discuss the scientific name of birds, their family and location. Name: Philippine Eagle. Scientific name: Pithecofaga jeffrey. Family: Accipitridae. Location: Philippines. Next. Name: Martial eagle. Scientific name: Polmathus bellicosus. Family: Accipitridae. Location: Africa, mostly found Ethiopia, Somalia, South Africa. Next. Name: Velvet purple coronet. Scientific name: Boisonnia jardini. Family: Trochilidae. Location: Colombia and Ecuador. Next. Name: Anna's hummingbird. Scientific name: Calypte anna. Family: Trochilidae. Location: Canada. Next. Name: White-backed mousebird. Scientific name: Coleus coleus. Family: Coleidae. Location: Namibia and Botswana. Next. Name: White-fronted bee-eater. Scientific name: Merops bullocoides. Family: Meropidae. Location: Gabon, Uganda, Namibia. Next. Name: Snow petrel. Scientific name: Pagodroma nivea. Family: Procellaridae. Location: Antarctic. Next. Name: Northern gannet. Scientific name: Morus basanus. Family: Sulidae. Location: Atlantic. Next. Name: White stork. Scientific name: Ciconia ciconia. Family: Ciconiidae. Location: Europe, Asia, Africa. Next. Name: Scarlet Ibis. Scientific name: Eudocimus ruber. Family: Thresciornithidae. Location: Brazil, Colombia, French Guiana, Guyana. If you want to get more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to get our new videos. Thanks for watching.